Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to Nadia's Kitchen and Vlogs in USA. Today we're here at Didi's Discount. So I decided to take you guys into Didi's Discount because I never really vlogged over here, and I thought it would be really cool if you guys saw what's inside. So it's basically like another Ross or Burlington, or you could say stuff like that. So it's really nice. I really liked it. They had a lot of stuff that was on sale. The prices are also really nice too, so I can't really complain about that. So I just decided to take you guys in, and I'm just gonna be showing you guys around. So yeah, here are these. To be honest, this Didi's Discount was a little bit kind of empty, but I really liked it as well. It wasn't that bad. So they had these, oh my god, this was so cute, guys. This was like a little pink cushion that you guys could just keep as a decor. I thought it was really cute and I really wanted it. And then here I am just showing you guys around. They had really nice paintings and they had shampoos and stuff as well, but I wasn't really interested in that. They had Dove and all of the brands that and they have so many body washes and everything, and it was really nice to see. And they have a lot of paintings. My mom really liked one of the painting, like I was saying, and she's gonna be showing it to you guys. So I'm gonna be leaving this voice over for now, and I'm gonna be putting a nice soft music. So if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, turn the post notification bell on. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video.